Leveling blocks. When you're parking your RV on uneven ground, leveling blocks are essential to ensure stability and prevent uncomfortable tilts. The Camco heavy-duty leveling blocks are a popular choice, offering a durable and stackable solution for precise leveling. These interlocking blocks function like Lego pieces, making it easy to adjust to the desired height. Whether you're parked on a slight incline or rugged terrain, these blocks provide the foundation your RV needs for a balanced, comfortable experience. They are lightweight, easy to store, and work with a variety of vehicle sizes, ensuring hassle-free setup for any RV adventure. RV sewer hose support. The sewer hose support helps prevent kinks, maintains a smooth flow, and keeps your sewer hose elevated from the ground, ensuring cleanliness and functionality. The Camco Sidewinder RV sewer hose support is lightweight, weather-resistant, and adjustable to different lengths, providing the perfect slope for your hose. It folds up neatly for storage and is easy to set up, keeping your hose off rough terrain and improving drainage. This essential item ensures that the less glamorous aspect of RV life, waste management, runs smoothly and efficiently, offering convenience and peace of mind during your travels. Wheel chocks. Wheel chocks are critical for stabilizing your RV and preventing it from rolling or shifting when parked. The X-Chock Wheel Stabilizer by BL is a must-have for any RVer. Unlike traditional chocks, this device expands in between the wheels of your RV, reducing the chances of movement and providing added stability. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even on sloped surfaces. The X-Chock is compact and easy to install, offering an extra layer of safety when setting up camp. By minimizing unwanted motion, this stabilizer makes your RV feel more secure and comfortable during your stay. Portable air compressor. Having a portable air compressor ensures you're always prepared for low tire pressure emergencies, which can affect your RV's performance and safety. The RVer 450 PRV Automatic Portable Compressor Kit is a top pick for RVers. With its powerful system, this compressor can inflate RV tires quickly and efficiently. It's compact and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to store. The 450P also includes a long air hose, so reaching all tires on a larger RV is simple. This reliable, high-quality compressor will keep your RV ready for the road, ensuring smooth and safe travels. RV toilet chemicals. Properly maintaining your RV's holding tank is crucial to preventing odors and ensuring efficient waste breakdown. Happy Camper's Organic RV Holding Tank Treatment is a powerful, eco-friendly option that breaks down waste without harsh chemicals. This odor-neutralizing formula works in extreme temperatures and keeps your tank clean and fresh. Unlike many other treatments, Happy Camper's is septic tank safe and environmentally friendly. It's easy to use, requiring just a scoop of the powdered treatment per tank. This product helps avoid clogs, reduces buildup, and prevents the unpleasant smells often associated with RV waste tanks. RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Tire pressure monitoring system is an essential safety tool for any RV owner, as it helps monitor tire pressure and temperature in real time, preventing blowouts. The TST507 Tire Pressure Monitoring System offers accurate readings and alerts when tire pressure drops too low or becomes too high. The system features a user-friendly color display and comes with cap sensors that screw onto the valve stems, making installation easy. With customizable alerts and long-lasting sensors, this system provides peace of mind and keeps you informed about the condition of your tires while on the road. Folding camping table. Space is often limited when camping, making a folding camping table a must-have for outdoor meals or extra prep space. The Coleman Outdoor Folding Table is lightweight, compact, and easy to set up. It features an aluminum slat top that is durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for outdoor dining or use as a workspace. When not in use, it folds down into a carrying case, taking up minimal storage space in your RV. This table's portability and durability make it perfect for picnics, meal prep, or playing games around the campsite. RVer Awning Shade. An RV awning shade provides much-needed protection from the sun and enhances outdoor comfort, creating a cooler, shaded area for relaxation. The Carefree Sunblocker RV awning shade blocks up to 85% of the sun's rays, reducing heat and glare while allowing air to pass through. It attaches quickly to most RV awnings and is easy to set up. Made from weather-resistant material, it offers long-lasting protection, helping you create an inviting outdoor living space. Whether you're enjoying a meal or relaxing with a book, this awning shade makes your RV's outdoor area more comfortable. Collapsible dish drying rack. Managing space in an RV kitchen can be challenging, but the OXO Good Grits folding dish rack helps solve this issue with its collapsible design. This dish rack expands to hold plates, cups, and utensils, but folds flat when not in use, saving valuable counter space. Its durable construction ensures it can handle the rigors of life on the road, while the angled base allows water to drain directly into the sink. This compact and practical solution makes drying dishes in an RV kitchen more efficient and keeps your counters clutter-free. Fire extinguisher. Safety should always come first when traveling, and having a fire extinguisher on board is an absolute necessity. The First Alert rechargeable home fire extinguisher is compact yet powerful, designed to handle fires commonly encountered in RVs, such as electrical, grease, or fabric fires. Its durable metal head is built for long-term use, and it's rechargeable for multiple uses. With easy-to-read pressure gauges and simple instructions, this fire extinguisher is user-friendly. It comes with a mounting bracket, making it easy to store and access in case of an emergency, providing peace of mind while traveling. Collapsible trash can. Collapsible trash can is a convenient space saver in any RV, providing an easy solution for waste disposal without taking up valuable room. The Camco collapsible utility container can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it versatile for any camping scenario. Its lightweight, durable material allows it to fold flat when not in use, while the spring-loaded design makes setup quick and simple. The large capacity is perfect for extended stays or larger groups, and it includes tie-down straps to keep it securely in place. This collapsible trash can is a practical addition to keep your campsite clean and organized. RV doormat. An RV doormat is an essential item for keeping dirt and debris outside your RV, helping you maintain a clean and comfortable interior. The Camco Life is Better at the Campsite doormat features a fun, camping-themed design and durable construction. Made from mold and mildew-resistant materials, this mat is designed to withstand the elements while providing a sturdy surface to wipe your shoes. It's easy to clean and rolls up for compact storage. Placing this mat at your RV's entrance ensures a cleaner living space and adds a touch of personality to your outdoor setup. Folding chairs. Folding chairs are a must-have for enjoying outdoor relaxation while camping, and the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Chair offers both comfort and portability. This chair features a patented spring-action rocking technology that allows for smooth rocking motion on almost any surface, perfect for lounging by the campfire or at a scenic overlook. Its sturdy frame supports up to 250 pounds, and it folds flat for easy transport and storage. With padded armrests and a built-in beverage holder, this chair provides the ultimate comfort, making it a top choice for RVers who love outdoor comfort and convenience. Portable grill. No RV trip is complete without a portable grill for outdoor cooking, and the Weber Q1200 portable gas grill is a favorite among RVers. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, yet it delivers powerful grilling performance with 8,500 BTUs of heat. The Weber Q1200 features porcelain enameled cast iron grates for even cooking and easy cleaning, while the folding side tables offer convenient space for prep. Whether you're grilling up burgers, steaks, or veggies, this portable grill ensures you can enjoy delicious, home-cooked meals while on the road. Its durability and ease of use make it an essential for outdoor RV adventures. RV GPS. Navigating unfamiliar roads with a large RV can be stressful, but the Garmin RV 890 GPS Navigator is specifically designed to help RVers find the best routes. This GPS provides custom routing based on the size and weight of your RV, avoiding low bridges, narrow roads, and other hazards. With its large, easy-to-read 8-inch display, the RV 890 offers clear, turn-by-turn directions, real-time traffic updates, and RV-specific points of interest. It also features a directory of RV parks and services, making it easier to plan your stops. This device is an essential tool for safe and efficient RV travel.